Hene kasni nakaliang ginong mikmat kaseng realum garo ka achik holistic awakening movement habakran sikila pathai khubor kila penpau baka jingle ka sarkar Jylla ka bu Haka Jingeh ka bakrau ya ki Samla Pule namar ban Jingpyntreikam hi ka Central University entrance test ka dan kam ban penkre ki khana Pule handrai kumba kalong menta la syurai kerke bat kani ka jingle kan pendu mensie mi ki babon ki Samla Pule Khamtam mi ki bana Nongkyndong ki bamyo satya ki jinghikai bajanai Haka kten phareng ni ki kten bala penrung Haka 8th schedule jagariti sensar kari namar kumba kalong menta ka kten khasi bat garo kimpat rong satya Haka khrnet ka bapra jagariti sensar khadar kari India.
You see, a lot of issues has to undergo certain stages. Like there are some students from rural areas that they do not have the basic infrastructure facilities to appear in that exam. So it's a good move, but then we have to be prepared. So if the students are not well prepared, then obviously it will have a huge impact on the students. Therefore, if the government or if any organization, if they take any steps to improve the quality education in the state, then we can go for that. Founding father of the Meghalaya state. So the demand by the Achik people is genuine.